My name is Eddy Ekmekgian, co-founder and owner of Known as Empanadas. We're located in Beverly Hills and West Hollywood in Los Angeles, California. Known as Empanadas is a combination of several things. In the front we have a beautiful quick service restaurant, but we bake and serve over 30 flavors of empanadas any given time. And in the back is a full production kitchen. We have many types of flavors with meat, vegetable, cheese, even dessert. Whatever you're craving, Known has an empanada for you. Empanada comes from the Spanish verb empanada, which means to cover in dough or pastry. So an empanada is essentially any filling covered in dough. Some of our most popular empanadas have always been the beef and veggie. Our signature beef filling starts by sautéing onions. Then we add ground beef. Once the beef is cooked, we remove the fat. Add butter and mix it in. We then add our blend of spices, which is made up of salt, black pepper, oregano, paprika, and red peppers. Once everything is mixed, we let it rest for a few minutes, spread it on a sheet pan, we send it to the blast chiller to cool down. Once the filling is cool, we mix in green onions, green olives, hard-boiled eggs. We then mix everything together again, and that's how we make our signature beef filling. To make our classic veggie filling, we start by cooking spinach, diced carrots, and broccoli. While those are cooling, we saute garlic and onions with a blend of spices and send that to chill. Once our veggies are cooled, we chop up the spinach, the broccoli, we mix it in with the garlic and onions and the diced carrots, and we mix in green peas, corn, red peppers, feta, and Parmesan cheese. We then mix all the ingredients together by hand, and that's our classic veggie filling. And finally, it's time to make the empanadas. When we first started, we made the empanadas by hand by folding the edge. We had different folding techniques depending on the flavor of empanada. That was the original way to distinguish what you were eating. As the business grew, it was difficult to keep up with demand, so we then moved to using custom hand-operated empanada molds to close the empanadas. But even the hand press wasn't efficient enough. In the past year, we've averaged 15 to 20,000 empanadas a week, so we imported a custom empanada folding machine from Argentina. It takes 3 people to operate the machine. One person places the dough into the mold, another person puts the filling into the mold. The machine then closes the empanada and then feeds the finished empanada to the end of the line where the third person puts it on a tray. Each tray holds about 40 empanadas. When the machine is operating at full speed, it can make 1,700 empanadas an hour. Once the tray is complete, we send it off to cool and store overnight so they're ready to bake, serve, and enjoy the next day. Every empanada is branded with our logo and flavor so you know what you're about to enjoy. When you come to Known, you're hit by this wonderful smell of freshly baked empanadas. You then see this beautiful, bright display case full of empanadas with more flavors than you can imagine. There is no one perfect empanada, but what makes the empanada perfect is the unlimited flavor combinations. It's portable, it's handy, you can enjoy it anywhere, anytime. It really is the perfect finger food.